For 3 weeks straight, all I heard from you people was, what's in the box? What's in the box? What's in the box?
What's in the box?
No, we're not allowed to use that anymore. Let's right to the intro. Right to the intro.
I feel like I'm chosen. I'm covered in gold.
Welcome back, friends, to another edition of Fauntleroy's Finest. I hope that any of you guys that were interested in the Supreme sale were able to take advantage of it. I got the information kind of very late yesterday while I was editing my video on the Supreme sale that the Supreme sale was going to happen at midnight. So I rushed the video out faster, and YouTube decided to take an hour to process like a 6-minute video, which is pretty crazy. So I apologize if some of you out there were already in bed or were done thinking about Supreme for the day when that video came out. I wanted to get it out a little bit earlier, but again, I know a lot of people in the Discord were able to take advantage of that Supreme sale last night. I myself was able to take advantage of the Supreme sale. I bought a purple XXL contrast hoodie, $110 before taxes and everything. You cannot beat that for a hoodie. Definitely for an XXL hoodie. It has no listings, and the last sale was for $388, so very happy with my pickup on that day. I would have picked that thing up for retail and been happy with it, to be honest with you. So congratulations to any of you guys that were able to pick stuff up at the sale. I think it kind of caught people off guard, so if you were ready and there, like I told you, you had 3 hours to watch the video that I put out, but I did tell you. And if you were there, you were able to grab pretty much whatever you wanted right away. Quite honestly, the contrast hoodie was probably the only one worth going for yesterday. There are still some items available, so again, if you want to get your Supreme fix in, definitely the best time to grab some for yourself. I'm sure you can find something in your size that you'll like. Now let's get into what you guys are here for. You want to figure out what is going in the box. Big Gulp 7-Eleven contacted me right away, and I said, hey, I'd love to do a video of you going through the stuff and telling me what you want. He basically said, F you, bro, I don't want to be in your stupid videos. You can go fly a kite.
You would need 3 promotions to get to be an asshole.
I'm kidding. He's just shy. And he basically said, hey, I'd love for you to pick the box out for me. What I thought is I'd give some options, and I'm going to put them together here today, and I'd love to hear what you guys would have picked of these 3 options.
Ooh, child, things will get brighter. Then bring it down hard.
All right, let me just get right into it. So basically, I decided to do 3 different tiers of box. So first off, I would have a low tier box, like t-shirts, hats. What I decided to do was set a price. So I said, okay, the small items I'm going to set at $40 a piece. And so what I said was, if you wanted to take a small tier box, I would basically offer you 6 tees. And at $40 a piece, that's basically throwing in an extra tee. So it'd be like $200 for this many, and then an extra one. He would definitely get a fair amount of value out of this pick. And again, at my evaluation, putting each of these t-shirts at a $40 value, the cheapest of which retail for $38, I feel like that's a pretty solid deal, which ends up at a current evaluation of about, $240. So that's box number 1. So box number 2, this is where we're going to take a couple of higher price items and put them together. So basically I said he could choose a box similar to this. The box logo beanie and the Gons name tag tee, which together come to roughly about $200 in current value. Now I do know both of these items will go up. I'm sure that beanie hits $140 at some point next year, so there's a lot of value in these down the road as well. So that would be the tier 2 box, and again, I would let him mix and match. If he wanted to take the beanie as the $100 item, then he'd be able to take 3 of the shirts or the smaller items at $40 a piece. Another option that I gave him for the mid-tier box were these wheat Air Force Ones. I basically said I would do these and 2 t-shirts. Again, he's able to pick from over about 40 shirts that I have, plus these shoes. And these shoes have been going up, actually. They're in the 190s now on StockX, so at least they're kind of going for retail now. So I know they were a little bit of bricks. At the end of the day, the evaluation on this box is probably going to be around $230, $240 as well. And then finally, I gave him a choice for a big ticket item, a one banger box. And I basically laid out a couple of my high ticket items. The Supreme Yankees hoodie, which is basically going for retail. The Supreme Yankees track pants, which are right around $200. The gray large Arabic hoodie, and then of course the Supreme Gundam figure. Basically, if he decides to choose the Yankee track pants or the Arabic hoodie, I'll throw in a free shirt as well. So there you go. Those are the options that I gave to him, and I would love to know which one you would pick.
Rick, where'd you get a hand grenade?
All right, I'd love to know what you think, and if you guys want to check out the video that the drawing was actually done on, then you should check out this one right here, which was our end of the year video. Either way, I'll see you next video.